How to fix trees user not found problem. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app or click here search and write your app. After these steps, go to force stop, click OK and go to storage, click clear data and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data, click turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi, and go to mobile data, turn off and turn on. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.